We love to care for these animals and celebrate with them each and every day. Now I have just one question for all of you. Are you ready to meet some dolphins? Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Alrighty, you guys coming up to give you a nice big wave. Put those hands up. She can see you. So give her a little wave back. This is Sarasota. Alrighty, and our youngest in the pool. She's got a lot of energy, a lot of spunk. This is Carly. And last but not least, giving you a wave with those little flukes at the bottom, this is Sophie. And we can't forget about our dedicated trainers who care for these animals each and every day. Say hello to our talented team. Ladies and gentlemen, these animals have a lot of energy and love to have fun. So let's walk and take a look at this. Celebrate life.
Come on!
Getting to see the bonds and interactions that our trainers have with their animals made me want to work even harder to become a dolphin trainer. I got my start working with livestock animals that consisted of cattle, sheep, goats, and even some pigs. And then I worked my way up to working in a wildlife rescue center where we rescued and rehabilitated sick and injured animals here off the coast of California. And a little over 4 years ago, I landed my dream job right here at Dolphin Amphitheater. I've been living the dream ever since. You guys get to come see these high energy shows, but majority of our day is actually spent having these quiet one-on-one moments with our animals that you see going on behind me right now. This is truly one of the best ways that we can build our relationship with all of these amazing animals. And she is part of 3 generations that call Dolphin Amphitheater home. She is eager to please her trainers and she loves to spend these quiet moments. At stage, that is one of our Dolphin Amphitheater's highest flyers. And then on the far right hand side, we have another youngster. Her name is Sarasota. And all of these guys serve as incredible ambassadors for their species. And for that reason, my new friend Thaddeus gets to meet a dolphin. Let's give him a warm San Diego welcome. Come on down here, buddy. And he steps to me. Here she is. Take 2 hands just like this. Give her a big wave hello. She's gonna wave right on back. Very nice. Well, I'm gonna have you get the chance to feed Carly. So you're gonna go ahead and take this fish and toss it in her mouth just like that. Very nice. Yep, just grab a hold of it. You got it. Toss it in. You know what type of fish this one is? It's a dead one. Very nice. Well, Carly also loves back rub. So go ahead and reach out and give her a nice gentle touch on her back. What do you think she feels like? Like a dolphin? That's an excellent description. Go ahead and pull that hand back out of the pool for me. Very nice. Well, I'm going to have you come down these steps for me because I do have a little bit of a problem on those hands. Smell those hands. They're a little fishy, right? Well, don't worry. We have the perfect method to solve this. Take your hands like this. Slap them together. Rub them really fast. Get them nice and warm. Keep going, and then wipe them right there on your nice t-shirt. Yeah, don't worry. That smell will come out in about 2 weeks of time. Well, I'm going to get you set up here for a photo with Carly, so come on all the way over. Smile! I had absolutely no idea that Carly was going to do that. Let's give it up for Thaddeus and his rare SeaWorld San Diego. We are home to 2 rescue pilot whales. They were both part of a mass stranding back in 2012. At the time of their stranding, they were estimated to only be between 3 and 6 months of age, weigh approximately 300 pounds. Well, they now weigh an impressive 1,800 pounds. Well, pilot whales have a zest for life. They are playful and curious. One of the best ways we can get to know them is through a little bit of playtime. So please enjoy this.